What would you say if I told you these new Ideal lever connectors are way better than Lego? For like so many reasons, but don't believe me just by my word. I've got a video coming out long format that shows the voltage drop across the connections. And yeah, the numbers don't lie. These are the new lever connectors from Ideal, and they range all the way up to number 10. And they are the real deal. Look at how that snaps in there. We will try that again for you. Look at that flat right there. Watch when it opens. Ooh. What do you guys think?